How to add subscribe button on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram and make sure to sign into your account. Then go to profile, and on this profile section, tap on three-line icon at top right corner, and here you have to scroll down and under photo professional tap on account, type in tools. So first thing first, you have to switch to professional account. There will be different steps that you need to follow. After following all the steps, make sure you have switched to professional account. So once you have switched to your professional account, you have to go to the professional dashboard. So on this professional dashboard, you will be able to find a subscribe button, but this will be only be possible if you follow some criteria, or the subscribe button needs some requirement. So those requirements are: you must pass the monetization policies. The second one is you have to have at least 100,000 followers. Then other is you have to be 18 years older and above that. Then after you follow all the requirements to add the subscribe button, then only you'll be able to find out the subscribe button, and you'll be able to add the subscribe button on Instagram. So that's how we easily add subscribe button on Instagram. I hope this video was informative as well as helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.